Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to undo here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Undoing changes in Airtable is a straightforward process that can be essential for maintaining the integrity of your data and improving your workflow. Once you are logged into your account, hover to the base that you wanted to undo some changes, or if you haven't already, just click on the Create option here on the bottom left corner. You can start from scratch, wherein we can choose something like this. You can create a grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, all right, list, and even Gantt. For example, I'm going to put in some information here, okay, and just random thoughts. The idea is if you want to undo all of these changes, all you have to do is press the Control plus Z on your computer or a PC. See that? Action undone. You'd notice that there's going to be a small pop-ups and everything is going to be revert back to its original form. All right? Now, if you wanted to redo that, all I have to do now is press Shift plus Z. Here, I'm going to add something like keys, cell copied. All right? I'm going to undo all of them. Undo, action undone. And if you wanted to redo that, you see action redone is pressing Control plus Shift plus Z on your computer. Action redone. Action redone. No more actions to redo. And if you want to undone, Control plus Z, action undone. You see there's going to be a small pop-up window here. But the thing is, you have to remember that Airtable keeps a limited history of actions, so you may not be able to undo actions that were made far in the past. You can press the undo shortcut multiple times to revert several actions back as long as they are within the undo history. Okay? And again, redoing changes and undoing changes, for example, if you accidentally do something you didn't mean to, you can simply undo everything here by pressing Control plus Z, right? And these methods will allow you to quickly correct mistakes or revert changes in your Airtable base efficiently. All right? The ability to undo changes in Airtable provides flexibility and assurance, helping users manage their data effectively and efficiently. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.